6 minus 3 which equals 3. Here is also in the parenthesis 6 minus 3 which equals to 3. Then 3 times 3 which equals to 9. Okay, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here, and one parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is subtraction. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, if we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, first parenthesis 6 minus 3 which equals 3. Then here 6 minus 3 times 3. So in this expression there is one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction according to PEMDAS. Therefore we have to do this multiplication first. 3 times 3 which equals 9. Okay, then 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 which equals to negative 3. This is the final answer of this problem. Therefore the final answer of this problem equals to negative 3.